AEW Aussie Toy Collector here, back with another video here with with 2 in 1 video with a return to review some figures, and yeah, very pumped to be back. Very good to be back. If you haven't seen, I've got a new YouTube channel. I'll put it in the description. It's Luke Gaming Lemon 03. I do a bunch of gaming channels, gaming videos on there. Luke's podcast or whatever, and I'll put that in the description. I'll put my friends, Super, Gaming Doof, and that's obviously a legend. Put Choppa does figures in the description as well. But yeah, let's crack into it. What do I start? We got Unmatched Series 1, Kenny Omega and DMD Dr. Britt Baker. So we are going to kick it off with Kenny Omega to open him up first. Finally got myself a Kenny Omega. Very pumped about that. So really good to have a Kenny Omega. Can have some dream matches. This might not be like a big return, like I am back, like I'm doing videos on this channel, but probably not much because yeah, I've got my gaming channel, which I'm really enjoying in that. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get Kenny Omega out. Looks like a pretty solid figure. There you go. Just in here. The AEW figures are ridiculous open. There you go. Just go for it, I guess. No point keeping that AEW package, so let's get Kenny Omega out. AEW figures are annoying to open. There we go. Just select the door, open that. So here is the Kenny Omega out of the packaging. So hands and get the figure out. So here is Kenny Omega, looking badass as always. Really looks like a really awesome Kenny Omega. If you look at that, Kenny Omega, great face scan, great attire for Kenny Omega. You do some awesome matches with Kenny Omega, pretty cool. The first one open is for Unmatched Series 1 is Kenny Omega. So yeah, that's a pretty awesome Kenny Omega. His arm goes up and down. Yep, pretty cool Kenny Omega. Pretty cool. I like this Kenny Omega. Really probably wish it came with a jacket, but Kenny Omega is a Kenny Omega. Pretty cool. Up next we have got the Britt Baker. This one's obviously the one I've been after for a while. Obviously the face scan's not perfect, but it's a Britt Baker. Hey, there's a new Britt Baker coming out. I think it's the ringside exclusive one. So I decided to get this one because I wanted the Britt Baker pretty badly and get her in the collection. So my first AEW woman as well. So this is my first AEW female figure, Britt Baker, one of my favorite in AEW, my favorite female. So let's just try and get her out. Try not to cut myself. There we go. Need the scissors anymore. like a door in the opening. Door. Britt Baker is out of the packaging. Bit of a paint issue there. Yeah, so there's Britt Baker. Let's just get some hands. This is where she does her submission move. I forgot what it's called. And Dr. Britt Baker out of the packaging. And she has plastic on her. That's fun. That's fun. So here is Britt Baker. Wow, that actually looks pretty cool. That's solid. That's solid. It's really good to have in hand. Just go ahead and take the jacket off. And of course, it has plastic on it, which is pretty annoying. I don't know why they put plastic on AEW figures. Right. There's really no point putting plastic. Oh, it just ruins the paint. Britt Baker. Get her out. Oh, God. There we go. There is Britt Baker. Wow, that really does look a lot. No, it's not. In person, it looks alright. With a photo, it doesn't. So here is the Britt Baker here. This is an awesome Britt Baker. That's actually awesome. First ever AEW female Britt Baker. I will take that. That's pretty cool. Yeah, see, this is there's little paint issues down there. That's not much. That's not me. That's not much though. Yeah, that'll come off easily. Pretty awesome Britt Baker. Here is the jacket. That's an awesome jacket. Dr. Britt Baker. Nothing to lose. Good to have a AEW female. Britt Baker. You can use these for, a submission. So you just pop that off, and you just pop it on. There we go. You just pop it on. There's Britt Baker. Yep, cool. Let's go ahead and put the jacket back on her. I wonder if this is a difficult jacket to put on and off. Oh, it wasn't difficult to take off. That was pretty easy. Okay, that's not pretty. That's not hard at all. Cool. Now, I like these sort of jackets. These jackets are pretty solid. Just Britt Baker's hair is in the way. I don't think it matters with Britt Baker's hair. I think she normally has her hair in the jacket. I might be wrong. Give me a minute, guys. Let me just maybe put her hair over the top. There we go. There, that works out well. Yeah, that's good. This is a pretty solid Britt Baker. Too bad it's got some paint issues, but that's probably no problem. I could probably fix that. They seriously need to stop putting these on there because it's just ruined the paint issues. Paint job, but yeah, awesome Britt Baker. Really awesome. I'm glad to have a Britt Baker finally in the collection. You can just put the jacket down here, clip it back, clip it on. And there is Dr. Britt Baker right there, and Kenny Omega. And Britt Baker has just fallen over. I just forgot. Females figures, figures do not understand this. One annoying thing about figures, not standing. There we go. Alright, so let's clear the ring. So here we got the Kenny Omega. I'll show him again. So here's Kenny Omega. Great face scale. I like the attire of Kenny Omega. Pretty cool. I might put the AEW title on. I think my Moxley has it right now. So if you guys want to see LCW make a return, obviously I've probably only made 3 videos, but I could possibly make a return. Kenny Omega to appear, and Britt Baker would be awesome to appear in there as well. So there's a lot of dust in my ring that I need to. It's dusty. It's hella dusty. It's just haven't been used for quite some time. Well, hasn't been used for a month or whatever. So that's probably why. So Britt Baker actually looks amazing. It may not look good in like the base was and that. So yeah, Britt Baker right there. There we go. Britt Baker, Kenny Omega. Pretty cool figures to have in the collection. Some more AEW figures. I'm looking for the new ones that are coming out very soon. So yep, Britt Baker right there, and Kenny Omega. Unmatched Series 1 from Ringside Collectibles, and this is AEW Aussie Toy Collector here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Peace out.